Hi Foodies, Chef Pete here, and today I'm going to use rotisserie chicken seasoning so I can make rotisserie tasting chicken on the grill. So I cut up a chicken, and I've got half a chicken cut up, and what I'm going to do is, here it is right here in the bowl. I have a leg, a thigh, some breasts, and some wings, and what I'm going to do is take the thigh before I do anything else, and I am going to just take my knife and run right along the bone, just like this, and just like this. I'm not going to take the bone out, but by doing this, it helps to cook it evenly and quicker than if you don't do that. Or you could take the bone out, whatever you like. But you see how this is? Just like that. It makes it much, much easier to handle. Okay, so now in this bowl, I have legs, some breast, I have some wing meat and all of that, okay? All right, so let's get this out of the way here, and I'm gonna just rinse my fingers off, just like this. And then what we're going to do is apply the seasoning onto the chicken. I am not going to wet it or do anything to it, just get it right on there. And remember, rotisserie chicken is nice. We get them in the store all the time. And the flavoring is what's nice. This is McCormick rotisserie chicken seasoning. And I'm just getting it all on there. It has salt, it has celery seed, it has paprika, it has all kinds of good stuff on it. And let's just get it on our grill over here. Okay, our grill is going, everybody. And let's just get it on our grill. And we're gonna get things started up here to get going. Okay, let's get a breast on there and another breast here, and then let's just move that kind of over and let's get our leg in there. Okay, so now we have our rotisserie chicken, and we can add more rotisserie chicken seasoning as we turn it over. But remember, I'm grilling, and I wanted to taste, I said this morning, I want to taste the rotisserie chicken without, I don't have a rotisserie, so here we go. Okay, so there we go. We got our chicken going. We've got our seasoning on there. And then we flip them over, we'll add some more. And then on this side, everything's going. On this side, I'm gonna make some veggies. So let's start with some potato. I'm gonna cut some potato up here. And we'll get some potato on the grill going. So we have our veggies to go with our rotisserie style chicken. So let's just cut these. I'm cutting them in kind of matchstick pieces here so that we have it like a matchstick. There we go. There we go. And let's just get this on our grill. And this piece here can come off. And you know, put as much or as little as you like of veggies depending on how many people you're feeding, right? Remember that. And then what we're going to do is flip this over, and I'm going to cut them so they're just like matchsticks right across the bottom here, just like that. And then we'll cut this way here. And I'll just go this way. Here we go. Okay. All right. And we got all of this going. Now, right on top of this, I think we'll put some onion. Let's just cut some onion up here. And I've got a half an onion here today we're going to use. So let's just get him on here. Just like that. Half an onion. I got the other half here. I had half in the refrigerator, so we'll use this onion. Okay. And let's get him on there. Okay. Okay. All right, so let's get a little salt on here. Some salt on here. And I think a little oregano. There we go. Oregano. And then I think a little olive oil. Let's put some olive oil there so we can get them going. All right. And then let's cut some squash. Whoops. Peppers. Let's cut some peppers. I almost forgot I had peppers today. Beautiful peppers. Let's just...
peppers and squash.
Yeah, I'm going to have squash and peppers, Anthony. So we'll have squash and peppers for our veggie today. And then we'll just cut these into some smaller pieces like this. get them right on here. All right. Oh boy, chicken's smelling good.
Well, the green light is on, so everything is...
So then that means we're heated up to temp, what I have the temp set. That's good.
It is following your orders.
That's good. I'm glad. And it's telling me it's beeping. Okay.
It's telling you, oh, look at the pretty colors, red and yellow.
Okay, so we'll just cut some of this up. Okay, get this on here. Oh, now we got some colors going. And remember, don't be bashful. I have lids, everybody. I have lids. And if you've seen me do these little cooking with the grill, then you see when I put the lids on, I steam everything and get it all finished up. Okay. And let me just put this on. All right. Okay, there we go. Let's get this on here. Alrighty, we got things cooking good here. All right, now we'll get some squash going. I've got some nice green and yellow squash today. Okay, and some yellow. I'm just cutting it in thin, spear-like pieces. See how this is, everybody? Oop, here's a little dark spot. We'll take that off.
It's starting to smell like...
Okay, now we're going to hold this back for a minute because what I want to do is kind of sort of mix that up. But let's take a look at our chicken. I need a card. Where are you? Here we are. Let's take a look and see what's going on here. Oh boy, this is looking good. We got some nice grill marks on here.
Oh, wow.
Okay. And let's flip our side. Now maybe Anthony can smell the barbecue smell of the...
Yeah, because this kind of had that rotisserie smell.
And I'm going to add a little more rotisserie smell to this, right on it, just like that.
How that's possible.
There we go. So we're grilling instead of rotisserizing. We're using the rotisserie.
Oh yeah, I don't know how it's doing that, but that's pretty good. The grilled chicken, but it tastes like this.
We're grilling with rotisserie herbs. Yeah.
Flavors.
Okay, so let's get these going. They're moving. They're doing nice. These are doing really nice right now. Okay. All right. So here we've got it started, and we're going to add some more veggies to this. Some beautiful. Look at this beautiful squash I've got. I'm going to get it on there as these cook down a little bit, and then I'm going to get the squash on there last. And there we have it. I'm going to add a little more oil. Not a lot, but just enough to give it some oil. And we'll get our chicken cooked, and we'll be back and show you how it all looks as it's cooked and as it gets covered and steamed with our beautiful, I have them right here, our beautiful grill lids. Okay? So there we have it. So this is Peter Carpinto's. Give it a try. Get some of this rotisserie chicken and do it on your grill. You'll get the taste, but it won't be rotisserie, but you'll get the taste. So this is Peter Carpinto's. We'll be back. Out.